everyone, this is Robin and welcome back to our channel, The Dennis Family. Today's video, guys, I'm going to share about the NVC timeline in processing everything of our documents and the NVC interview appointment timeline. We received our email from the NVC last July 11. That was for Kimura, and for me is July 18. So that's the timeline. After we are documentarily qualified, last May, we submitted our documents to the CEAC, and how many days after 2 months, I think, we received an email, and this is the email that NVC sent to me, July 11. The National Visa Center completed its processing of your immigrant visa application and forwarded it to the U.S. Embassy Consulate General, where an immigrant visa interview has been scheduled. Appointment information is located at the bottom of this email. So, important information. You submitted forms and supporting documents to the NVC in electronic form. You must present the original forms and documents for review by the consular officer during your interview. Please promptly read and follow all interview preparation instructions located on the Department of State's website at nvc.state.gov/interview. Important information regarding the required medical appointment is also listed on the site. Failure to promptly follow all instructions provided on the site will result in your immigrant visa being refused at the initial interview. You should present this letter upon arrival at the Embassy Consulate General. Those members of your family named below must appear at the Embassy Consulate General on the appointment date. So what to do if you cannot keep the appointment? Some embassies, consulates general reschedule interview appointments themselves. Others utilize an outside service provider to reschedule appointments. To determine the proper procedure for rescheduling your interview appointment, please go to the Department of State's website. Under Step 2, select your interview location from the drop-down and click Download PDF and follow your Embassy Consulate General's instructions listed under Contact Information on the right. Reminders: read and follow all interview instructions. Bring this letter to your medical examination, because the panel physician may need to review it before performing the examination. If a sponsor filed an I-864 and provided the NVC with proof of an IRS federal income tax extension in lieu of a federal income tax return, you must upload this to CEAC or bring the sponsor's most recent federal income tax return to the visa interview. Failure to present all necessary documents to the consular officer will result in your immigrant visa being refused at the initial interview. So, questions. The NVC has completed its processing of this case, and any further inquiries should be addressed to the U.S. Embassy Consulate General or diplomatic mission listed below. When communicating with the Embassy Consulate General by email, letter, or fax, always refer to your name and case number exactly as they appear. So at the bottom of the email, they will put the immigrant visa interview details. So what are the details there? The interview date and time, interview location, NVC case number, invoice ID, principal applicant, that's my name, and our address, preference category, which is the CR2 or CR1. So now that we received the NVC interview appointment, we are getting ready and prepared to have our interview at the U.S. Embassy in San Jose, Costa Rica. So that's the timeline, guys, for the NVC interview appointment timeline. It takes 2 months to receive this email to have an interview date. So after you submit all the documents to the NVC, you will wait for another 2 months. Because we submitted, as you can see in my previous video in submitting documents, that was May, right? So May, June, then July. So it's not exactly 2 months. It's like 1 month and half, like that. So that's the waiting time for your interview appointment from the NVC. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you are new to our channel and hit the bell notification to be updated of the Dennis family. And please give us a thumbs up and leave comments down below if you have questions about the visa journey of Mommy and Kimora. Also, we have Facebook page at the Blasian Fam. Please leave us a review and recommendation if you think that our videos are helpful to others. Please share, and thank you so much. See you again next time.